10 Social media marketing hacks that will skyrocket your business growth. Social media has become a crucial part of any marketing strategy, with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter providing businesses with the opportunity to reach a wider audience than ever before. To be successful at social media marketing, it's important to develop a strategy that aligns with your business goals and target audience. This may involve identifying the platforms that are most relevant to your business, creating content that resonates with your audience, and engaging with your followers in a meaningful way. Here are some social media marketing tips to help you get started. 1. Create engaging content. This can include a variety of content types such as images, videos, blog posts, infographics, or behind-the-scenes glimpses into your business. Make sure your content is high quality and relevant to your target audience. 2. Use hashtags. Hashtags can help increase the reach of your content and make it easier for people to discover your brand. Research popular hashtags in your industry and use them appropriately in your posts. 3. Encourage user-generated content. User-generated content, UGC, is any type of content created by your audience that promotes your brand. Encourage UGC by running contests or asking your followers to share their experiences with your product or service. 4. Engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way conversation, so it's important to respond to comments, answer questions, and engage with your followers. This can help build relationships and foster brand loyalty. 5. Leverage influencers. Partnering with influencers can help increase your reach and credibility on social media. Look for influencers who align with your brand values and have a strong following in your target audience. 6. Analyze your results. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your social media posts and campaigns. This can help you identify what's working and what's not, and make adjustments accordingly. 7. Use social listening tools. Social listening tools can help you monitor what people are saying about your brand, industry, or competitors on social media. Use this information to identify trends, opportunities, and potential issues, and adjust your strategy accordingly. 8. Experiment with different formats. Different social media platforms and audiences may respond better to different content formats, such as images, videos, or live streams. Experiment with different formats to see what works best for your brand and audience. 9. Use visual content. Visual content such as images and videos are more engaging and shareable on social media. Incorporate eye-catching visuals into your posts to grab attention. 10. Post consistently. Posting consistently can help you maintain a presence on social media and keep your audience engaged. Develop a posting schedule that works for your brand and stick to it. By following these social media marketing tips, you can build a strong online presence and connect with your target audience in a meaningful way.